In this video, I'll show you how to recommend subscription products created with the Recharge Subscriptions app through your RevenueHunt product recommendation quiz on Shopify. Before we begin, there are two key things to know. First, access to Recharge products via third-party apps, like the RevenueHunt Quiz, is only possible through the Recharge Storefront API, which is available exclusively on the Recharge Pro plan. If you're not using the Pro version, you won't be able to recommend subscription products through the quiz. Second, you need to make sure that Recharge is fully configured on your Shopify store. According to Recharge's documentation, you'll need to add their Storefront API script to your Shopify theme. To do this, go to your Shopify admin, open Online Store, Themes, Edit Code, and inside your theme liquid layout file, paste the correct version of the Recharge Storefront API script in the header section. Once you save your changes, the Recharge script will load on your storefront, allowing the RevenueHunt app to access your subscription products. If you're unsure how to do this, you may want to ask your developer for assistance. Once everything is configured, go back to your Shopify admin and open the RevenueHunt app. Select the quiz where you want to recommend subscription products and open the results page. Inside the results page, go to the Products section and locate the product block settings. Under the layout options, add a new subscription block, which enables the display of subscription plans. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option to select a subscription app. Choose Recharge Subscription. Now, make sure your quiz actually recommends products that are available as subscriptions. You can do this in two ways, either by linking Recharge-enabled products to specific quiz choices using based on customer responses, or by showing them as fixed recommendations. In this example, I'll use the fixed recommendation method. Under Fixed Recommended Items, I'll select several products that have subscription options, then click Save Changes. Now, when you preview your quiz inside the builder, you may see a message saying that Recharge plans can only be fetched in the storefront. This is expected behavior. To test properly, open your public quiz page on your Shopify store and go through the quiz until you reach the results page. When the quiz is connected correctly, you'll notice that products with active subscription options will now display a Subscribe and Save feature, allowing customers to choose their subscription frequency. When they click Add to Cart, the selected subscription product will appear in their cart with the correct recurring plan applied. That's it. Your quiz now recommends Recharge subscription products directly on the results page. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.